Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. This is Pittsburgh floor jack email. So we got the new jacks according to Harbor Freight. Well, the new redesigned Pittsburgh jacks. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. Alright guys, yeah, we do have an email here. Pittsburgh, America's best selling jacks just got even better, or just got better. Heavy duty, it says re-engineered for greater performance. Precision welded construction, industrial quality, #1 selling jacks in America. Super coupon, 3-ton low profile steel floor jack. So me personally, if I would get a jack, I would definitely get this one. The one that's 3-ton low profile steel floor jack. Because 2 things. One, it has a longer reach. And even if you have a, well, actually 3 things. It has a longer reach and it has a higher lift. So you can lift the vehicle higher than a regular jack. And it is a low profile. So if you have like a lowered car or a car low to the ground, this is perfect for you because it's lower than the regular jack. So I would get definitely worth the money, the $10 over this one, because it's longer, it's shorter from here. It's just low profile, obviously, and it does lift 19 7/8 compared to this one only lifts 18 1/4. So an inch does really matter. I mean, it won't matter because you can put, obviously you can put a block here or something to extend the lift of it. But me personally definitely recommend this because I have a truck, and obviously when you when you're lifting a truck, you wanna, if it's a lifted truck or something, you wanna have the highest lift possible. So definitely recommend this one. The Daytona jack, the yellow Daytona does have a higher lift. Something like that too, but I believe this one has the highest lift. This one's only the 3-ton though, just to let you guys know. Anyways, so we do have a coupon here. It says new. These have been in the stores for quite a few days now. I would say about a week or 2 weeks. So definitely recommend the red one. Then again, the other one doesn't have anything bad with it. You know, if you can get the deal, I do have a coupon for this, but the older model, the Series 1, what is it, gray, the gray color. I do have a coupon for $80 or $79.99. You guys want to get that? I'll post that. I'll just go over it now. Let's see here. So we got a coupon here. It says Pittsburgh, #1 selling jacks in America, rapid pump 3-ton steel, heavy duty, low profile. So if you guys notice, the item number is not from the new jack. So you can, I guess, according to this coupon, you can only use it on the old jacks. Not the old one, you know, the Series 1, obviously. So the gray ones. But then again, it's up to you. I did heard people using this coupon with the new jack. Then again, it just depends on the store manager, how well you get. You know, be nice about it. Obviously, if you're going to be asking for something like that, make sure you're going to be a nice person to that manager. But then again, if they say no, it's not advertised that they're going to give you that jack. But, you know, if they give you this one, it's well worth it. You know, I definitely will take this one. If they're going to give you this one for $80, definitely worth it. Anyways. Here's the coupon. It says $79.99. Customer rating 5 stars. Weighs 73 pounds. As the new one says, weighs 78 pounds. So yeah, it's the same one, basically the same jack. You got the item numbers here at the bottom. It says the last one shown. Coupon valid through 10/9/19. So you guys got a whole month to buy, and limit 1, by the way. So you guys got a whole month to buy that. The coupon code is 71262367. So if you guys need that, all you have to do is just write down the coupon code And if the cashier asks you to show the coupon, you can show them this coupon. Like I said, just take a screenshot of this video and show it to them. Anyways, any of these coupons you can use, take a screenshot of these. All right, let's get started with the second coupon because we already went to with the first one here with the new jacks. This one's a 3-ton heavy duty steel floor jack. It's gonna be your basic jack here. Definitely a great deal. All these jacks are well worth it. The prices are all worth it. These jacks are nice. $89.99 for that one. It says low profile and heavy duty, so these are the ones that are on the top. But they're just explaining what they do and you know what they. So this one does have a lift of the low profile, the one on the left. 19.75. It's showing you right there, and this one has 18 and 1/4. This one says precision control, low descent. So I guess when it goes down, it goes down slowly. Exclusive dual parallel pump system, so it does have 2 pumps. Extra wide steel caster, so it is pretty wide. Precision welded heavy duty. 19.7/8 max lift. 3 1/8 low profile. So this is really low. 3 inches and 1/8. That's really low. Smooth rolling casters. Rapid pump. Yeah, same thing. 6,000 pound max capacity. So yeah, definitely. I guess you can lift a truck with this. I wouldn't lift the diesel because diesel's weigh more than 6,000 pounds. So for that, you might want to get the 4-ton or the heavier duty ones. But yeah, definitely for your regular vehicles, 6,000 pounds is enough. Anyways, plus save with super coupons. It says 13-piece, 1/2-inch drive impact. Definitely recommend these guys, especially for $19.99. Great deal. I do have them. I still have them in my box, my toolbox. I do have an old video when I started. I do have an old video of that. Definitely recommend these for you guys. Just if you guys want to get the best deals on these, make sure you watch my parking lot sales. I have a parking lot sale coming up for Harbor Freight. I believe it's October 11, 12, and 13. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest news on those. But yeah, definitely these you can get them for half price. So if it's $549, you can get them for like $200 or $300, pretty much. 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch professional breaker bar. Definitely recommend this. On the last parking lot sale that we had, it was $12, $12.99. So still at $14.99. This great bar there. I did buy it, so I will be doing the review on that. Just haven't had a chance. Electric paint sprayer gun, $18.99. This is a Wobble extension set for under $10. Guys, this extension set was not built for a lot of lot of torque. This is for your light duty applications, regular screws here and there. Don't put an impact on this because it's gonna break. It's gonna give out on you. If you need impact rated, make sure you buy the black ones. The black ones are impact rated. You got this drill is pretty good. I would recommend it for the DIY, real basic DIY. If you do small projects, if you do build carpentry or like to fix a lot of stuff at home, more than a DIY, DIY plus, I wouldn't recommend this drill for you. But if you're occasionally, something gets loose around the house, if you want to tighten up a screw, this will work for you, or a small hole. Let's see what else we got here. I do have this, works pretty good, still works. I haven't had a lot of time to use it now that it's hot out there. But once the weather starts getting cooler, maybe October, I'll start making some more videos on this. But yeah, I did a workbench, I did a rack, I did a frame for my solar panels. Yeah, pretty much did all those things with this thing, and with this saw, it works pretty good. I do have the Admiral blade. So this does not come with the Admiral blade. Just to let you know, you have to buy that separate. If you need a better one, you can buy the Admiral. Admiral does come with the blade. It's only a little bit more. Let's see here. Yep, looks like that's it. If you guys need to get one of these coupons, feel free to take a screenshot at the computer or a screenshot on the phone. Alright, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for that parking lot sale, because that's where all the deals, you get the smoking deals there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.